Let's draw a Stegosaurus. Start with an oval for the body. Notice that it's a bit higher on the left side. Draw the head and neck. Add the tail. Erase the body line inside the tail and neck. Draw a front leg and a back leg. Erase the body line inside the back and front leg. Now draw the other front leg behind the first one and draw the other back leg. Draw an eye, nostril, and mouth. Now add the Stegosaurus's plates. Notice that they are bigger in the middle. Draw 2 spikes at the end of the tail. Draw toenails. Add some stripes or spots on the Stegosaurus. Now let's add a background scene. This step-by-step drawing is from Rockin' Dinosaur's drawing book and comes with starter drawings that make drawing super easy and fun. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.